internet drop may have just fucked up my phone a lot. I'm gonna have to go, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. Just like this here. I'm sorry for the lighting being so bad, but this little video insert. I didn't realize that I lost footage about me explaining my cocktail that I was making. The Valentine's Day cocktail, basically a daiquiri variation, which is strawberries. So really simple, it's just rum, fresh lime juice, simple syrup, fresh strawberries. I'm creating cocktail content that anyone can do. Easy, with all the tools that you already have. They're gonna be like easy for you guys, tasty, balanced. We don't make no TGI Fridays drinks here, guys. There's gonna be real juice in there. There's gonna be real fruit in there. Coming from just a really strong cocktail, classic cocktail background, that's how you get cocktails. Consistent syrups, fresh juices, balance. It's all the key. It's all those keys. So, someone just screamed. I don't know what's going on. First, we're gonna make the simple syrup. We're using organic sugar. You do not have to. You can get regular sugar. Domino sugar. Okay. We're doing 1-to-1 recipe, so that just means if you use 1 cup of sugar, you're using 1 cup of hot water. So I just poured the hot water, half a cup of hot water, into half a cup of sugar. Stirred it until there was like basically no grains left. Granules. So I recorded how to make this delicious strawberry daiquiri. And for some reason my phone didn't want to record the whole thing. So I'm gonna show you guys again, which means I'm gonna down this one. I'm gonna actually check if it's still filming because I'll be pissed. We're gonna cut our lime, just 1 lime. You shouldn't need more than 1 lime for this, for 1 cocktail. If you're making more, make some more lime juice. A, B, C, D, E, F, that Gail song is like stuck in my head. A, B, C, D, E, F, U. It's a bop. It's a bop. You don't need this because you can use your hands, but this is hand juicers, just life changer. We need our strawberries. I'm only cutting about 2 because they're pretty nice sized strawberries. Take your glass that you're gonna use to shake your drink in. Put these on the bottom. All right, let's make this drink. So this is gonna call for 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And since I'm not expecting you guys to have a jigger or any type of like measuring bar tool, we're using tablespoons. I've converted, I've done the numbers, I did the math. So I think I lost some footage again. I don't know why. And I didn't do another camera check. So we missed some things, but I'm gonna go over them with you. I know we did the citrus, which was a lime, 1.5 tablespoons. We put 2 strawberries in here. They were both cut in half. We muddled them. I think that was cut out, but you're muddling them in here. And this is annoying because I want to show you this fun Valentine's Day cocktail, but my phone may be just against Valentine's Day. But we're gonna keep trying. I'm just gonna keep checking my phone and re-recording, and I'm gonna have like 6 cocktails by the end of this. It's gonna be a fun Friday for me, so you know, whatever. So we've muddled. we put in my plantation rum, favorite rum. You can use any white rum. I'll put a little list for you of brands that I really like that will just work really well in daiquiris, or any rum cocktails in general. You can also use an aged rum. So for these, you're gonna pour in here. I already put it in here, so I have to put 4 more. I'll be wasted by the end of this video. So I'm gonna use just a regular like bodega ice or deli ice because I have a bag of it that I need to go through that's in my freezer. Ice. I did this last time and it made a mess, but it's fine. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for the YouTube. We're gonna strain our strawberry daiquiri or a Valentine's Day cocktail. Valentine's Day cocktail. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video, comment, give me some feedback. I will see you next time. Bye, cheers.